This is a Story2Go tutorial video. Story2Go is a turning point in digital publication that enables you to create apps, interactive books or web books without any computer training. Let's see how to create a new project and use some basic features of Story2Go. Let's open our magazine project. In order to start a new project, please find the plus sign in the top left corner. In our already saved project, we finished our main page and another 2 pages. Let's add a new page and let me show you the basic features of the app. Once you click on it, it gives you the option to add new page, new image or new text box. New page will open a blank page within your project and will be the last page in line. Here's the 4th page. Let's add an image. If you click New Image, you will need to manually connect your iPad with your computer, open iTunes, select your iPad, go into Apps, go down, click on Story2Go, and pull your files into the Story2Go Documents section. Thus, you can find your copied images within Story2Go. Press the plus button now and click on Add Image. Select the image you have just imported and press the Add Image tab. You can also add multiple images with this feature. Once you have added all your images, press Close. You can select the image with a touch and place it anywhere you want to on the interface. It is important to note that different devices have different aspect ratios. The iPad has an aspect ratio of 4.3. The iPhones newer than iPhone 5 are all 16.9. Most Android products also have an aspect ratio of 16.9, but a few of them have 4.3. Because of this, we have to provide projects that are enjoyable on screens with aspect ratios of both 16.9 and 4.3. Therefore, the editor has frames for both aspect ratios. Our tip is to design your project for an aspect ratio of 16.9, but to keep the most important information within the smaller 4.3 frame. Like this, if you're looking at a smaller version, you'll be sure to have all the vital information intact. Let's have a look at how text editing and formatting works. Let's add a new text box with the plus tab. You can add any text you wish. If you wish to edit your text, click on the icon with the T above and you can write anything with the keyboard. If you wish to format the box, click on the T with the brush, which allows you to choose a different font type from the list that opens. If you wish to set the font color, click on the T with the color spot underneath to it. Next to this, the tab is in control of the text size. You can also set the text position within the box. You can position the text box to the top, the bottom, the center, the right, the left, or the middle. You can also add a color or an image as the background of the text. Or you can undo it all with the tab on the right. If you want to add a large chunk of text, you can use any free writing or note-taking software, for example Notes. You can also copy and paste any text from your browser. The font will be adjusted to the text box. So if under Properties I'm changing the size of the box, the size of the font will change as well. You can tell here that if I'm moving the box in either direction, the text will be following it. Once you are in the midst of working on your project, Story2Go's interface will be designed as follows. In the bottom left corner, you will find Objects. If you click Objects, you will see a list of layers. Every layer is a separate, movable part of the whole picture. Within the Objects page, with the plus sign, you can add further layers. The eye icon makes the given layer visible or invisible. The up and down arrows will create the visual order. If your layers are overlapping, then these arrows will define what is in the front and what is in the back. The symbol showing overlapping pages means duplicate. This feature is useful if, for example, you have set a particular font size or color for a layer and wish to apply the same conditions to the other layers. It's much quicker and more energy efficient to simply duplicate the layer rather than redo the same conditions. The icon of switching images by arrows on the top of the page will let you replace your chosen image with another one anytime. The new picture will keep the settings of the previous one. There is a recycle bin provided, which always recycles the highlighted layer. To see further tutorial videos, please see our website and download the Story2Go app to make any applications without programming skills.